All right, YouTube, it's me, David Harry, your favourite YouTuber and vlogger. Right, what I'm doing here is just a quick test with the Hollyland C1 Lark, or the Lark C1, which is this little radio microphone system. So basically you get two transmitters and one receiver on USB-C, and I'm testing this with my iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, the reason why I'm doing a test with it is because it could be a really good option for the 16 Pro Max or any of the 16 series. However, what I have found with this particular radio mic system is on other setups, and I believe this happened on the 15 Pro Max, it was too loud for the input. So it was effectively distorting on the input for the recording. Now, I've just done a take where I was using a third-party app, which was Kino, which I'm not entirely happy about. I think I'm gonna have to try and get a refund on that. But what I'm doing here is just using the base Apple camera app. So this is 4K, 24 frames per second, and I'm in SDR, and I'm using HEVC for the recording as well, so it's not ProRes or anything. And then this should give me, well, this will give me a good idea of what that particular setup is like for recording anyway with the base app, when I'm going in and out of some direct sun, as well as far as skin tones and whatnot are concerned. But more importantly, obviously, is how this microphone sounds. Now, I will only have uploaded this if it hasn't been distorting. Now, if that's the case, what you'll have been hearing so far will have been my gained up version in post. So, right now, this is exactly the level as it went in, so before I do my gaining in post. So this is now my gain and back up again. Yeah, anyway, so if it has worked, that's the only reason why it's on YouTube, is if it's not distorting. If it is distorting, I might use part of this video in another video to warn people that this thing does distort, and it might be something that you would want to avoid on at least the iPhone 16 Pro Max. However, if it's not distorting and it is working properly, you can be the judge of what you think that the sound quality is like, and whether it's for you or not, because right now I don't know, so I can't give you the recommendation. But like I say, it will only be up there, this one will only be live if it's not distorting, and on that point you can make your own decision as to whether or not you find this to be a decent mic. Now, I'm not going to do any range testing or anything. I will do that in another video, but that probably might go on my main channel, because that'll be a full review of this particular setup. I'm getting like absolutely battered by ladybirds. There's a ladybird infestation going on at the moment, and they're just everywhere. I'm getting off anyway. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.